Simplify all the commotion. Here's what you have to think about. 4 words. What's going on, everybody? This is TJ Boyd, your Houston realtor, here to discuss something that's on everybody's mind, hearts, lips at this current moment, and that is interest rates. More importantly, I'm here to simplify it for you. I know we've had a lot of talk, a lot of discussion. There's a lot of fear about the interest rates. The interest rates are just one of the factors that goes into what your monthly payment will look like. When you get pre-qualified, you get pre-qualified for the amount that you can pay per month. To simplify all the commotion, here's what you have to think about. 4 words. Can I afford this? Buying power is based on how much you can afford per month. That changes according to what your interest rate is going to be. For instance, you may have a new construction that you can buy down the interest rates on, things of that nature that cause your payment to be more manageable. So to simplify it, just go into it thinking, okay, how much of a payment can I afford per month, and start from there. Look, I know things can get confusing. I know all of the talk about the interest rates, this and going up and so high, all of that is true, it's valid, because it does go into what your monthly payment will be. However, there are ways to get a lower interest rate, there are ways to increase your buying power, and it boils down to those 4 words. Can I afford this? Get with your realtor and you guys can devise a plan to get you in the best situation for you and your family and help you answer all the questions you may have, including what the interest rate looks like in terms of a monthly payment. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment so that we can keep the conversation going. Again, I'm TJ Boyd, your Houston realtor, and we'll see you next time.